Speaking at a webinar on anti-doping nutritional and therapeutic needs in sports, organized by the National Anti-Doping Agency and National Sports University Manipur Sports Minister Kiren Rijiju reiterated the government's commitment to free sports from doping.
India stands firmly for fair play and clean sport, and we shall support all efforts to ensure the integrity of sport. We shall be willing to render full cooperation to WADA and other national anti-doping agencies and regional anti-doping agencies for their various activities to face the emerging challenges. However, we request Mr. Banka to consider due representation to India on its various committees and boards and enable our huge scientific community to contribute to new areas like sports forensics and anti-doping science. Our National Anti-Doping Testing Laboratory has taken corrective action on various points suggested by WADA, and we hope it would soon be allowed to resume dope analysis as per WADA guidelines. This webinar will act as a platform to exchange recent updates and ideas on anti-doping and sports sciences as various international and national experts from relevant field, and it will deliver their ranks on various key topics. I'm happy to say that NADA India is committed to dope-free sports and continues its ongoing support to the sports fraternity to get rid of the doping menace. It has been adopting and implementing anti-doping rules and policies which conform to the latest World Anti-Doping Code and international standards. Over the years, both NADA and NDTL have enhanced their capabilities in analytical testing, developing new methods, protocols, and in the process, sustained an effective fight against doping in sports. However, with the advent of new drugs and methodology in testing, there is always a scope for improvement through research and development. And we remain prepared to share and acquire new knowledge, ideas for meeting new challenges.